Hello everyone, how are you all? Well, today I thought why not switch from nature to nutrition? But no, actually, nutrition and nature they are interconnected because if you want good nutrition, you go back to nature, and Mother Nature has so much to offer. Well, today I am going to share my spicy chicken recipe, and I'll also mention the recipe in the description below if you do not understand any of the steps. Well, the chicken I used is pure organic, so I had to boil it for about half an hour in water obviously, and you have to add some salt, pepper, onions and a little bit of garlic and ginger to give it a taste. And then there are two ways to make it. You either marinate it in the yogurt mix, or you just pour all the spices and the yogurt and let it simmer and absorb all the beautiful flavors. So yeah, let's go and make the delicious spicy chicken. I hope you give it a try in your kitchen. So the ingredients that I'm gonna use are